Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to log in Instagram account without password. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily log in Instagram account without password. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, open your app store or your play store and then search for your Instagram application. If your Instagram application is not updated, you need to make sure you update your Instagram application to the latest version. So just search for Instagram and then update your Instagram application to the latest version. Now once you have updated your Instagram, go ahead and open your Instagram. Now you can see, enter your username. So try to log in. Now enter your username, and so let me enter my username. So enter your username. Now click on forgot password, and once you click on forgot password here, enter your Gmail, your email over here. Now once you enter your email over here, click on continue, and once you click on continue, you can see confirm your account. Now a verification code will be sent to you, so just open your email, so you can see the verification code over here. So now copy this verification code so you can see your Instagram. Use this code to log back into Instagram safely. So just copy this and then enter it over here to log into your account. So with this you can easily log into your account without your password. So if you have forgotten your password, this is the best way and then the easiest way to log into your Instagram account without password. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates.